Let's start with the star tracker. The one you see here is the Skywatcher Star Adventura GTI. And this allows you to take those long exposures of the night sky without any star trails. It has a go-to feature that not only makes finding targets easier, it makes astrophotography fun. You can control the mount with your phone through Wi-Fi. It will slowly rotate with the Earth to keep your camera pointing at the same star or DSO as they appear to move across the sky. It has a max payload capacity of 5 kilograms or 11 pounds, so you can use a small telescope or DSLR and lens with this mount. Tracking is done with the RA axis. The rotation of the RA axis is the same as the rotation of the Earth. This way the stars stay in the same place on your image, so you will get sharp, round stars.